Is a project manager technical or business role? What competencies and skills are the most important? Is it effective communication and strategic thinking? Or is it a specific set of industry and domain knowledge? Hi, I'm Natasha Kasimtseva, and I'm your project doctor. And today we will explore whether the project manager is a technical or business role. I come to project management from a business analysis and process reengineering background. Both business analysis and process improvement requires you to become very technical with what you do. The more you understand and know about the technology or the processes that you're working to improve, the more valuable and sustainable your solutions are going to be. This is why the question, are you a project manager or a technical project manager, never made sense to me. How can one effectively manage a project if they're not familiar with technicalities and specifics? Are there truly technical and non-technical PMs, or is it just a myth? I found my answer to this question in an unusual place. I looked at languages. Imagine you're working on a multinational team. You need an interpreter to translate for you. The interpreter, who is not technical, will be very good at translating generic conversations, but if you and your foreign colleagues decide to talk about aircraft building, or investment banking, or hydrogeology of permeable aquifers, your interpreter will be at a loss. Unless, you guessed it, they're technical. So you would actually hire an interpreter with specific technical language skills. Example, finance, earth sciences, data sciences, logistics. This means that the interpreter is not only capable of translating the generic language, they also have proficiency to a certain degree in the specific domain. They can be that glue facilitating a detailed and meaningful conversation between people who do not share language. I think it's the same with technical project managers. Project managers lead people across multifunctional teams. The technical project managers have a facility to really zoom into specifics and effectively translate the value proposition between business and technical teams. In other words, it helps when a project manager can speak the same language, metaphorically speaking, as the key team stakeholders and members. Here are some examples. You're a project manager on a software development project. Knowing the basics of the software configurations and possibly the basics of programming will give you leverage in communication and understanding to create rapport with development team. Being experienced in the software development lifecycle will give you a head start in planning, identifying and managing risks and issues. Likewise, knowing the business context of your project will give you an additional boost of clarity when you communicate across the business teams. So in summary, the role of a project manager is a synergy of business and technical skills. As a project manager, you're on a mission to create clarity, establish effective communication, and transform technical solutions into business value. The best strategy in growing as a project manager is to always keep learning. There are a lot of ways to learn and grow. I personally enjoy the selection of courses in the LinkedIn Learning Library. I will link to the curated list of technical and business courses in the description below. What do you think? What makes a project manager a technical project manager? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you for being with me today. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video.